James again from Denmark. Today we are going to deliver a portable air cooling laser welding machine. This one, you can take a close look. So it's only 50 kilograms and it's very portable and can put into the trunk of the car. So it's very good choice for the portable service. So you can just put it in the trunk of the car. And here is the laser welding head. It's very lightweight. Yes. And here is the wire feeder. Okay, and this one is the air cooling. So now let's our engineer to show you the welding effect. 好，
这有温控保护，它如果高于50度，它这个灯会报警变红灯。
So there is a alarm for the temperature protection.
对。
Okay, now let's start the machine. Yes.
然后齿轮打开，送湿。
Label.
然后激光齿轮打开。
Laser.
好 ，OK 了。
Okay. 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 Great.
目前来说，
关
于那个叫什么？